Thank you, Speaker. My question's to the Minister for Social Services. How is the social services portfolio delivering on the Albanese Labor government's commitments to prioritise action on ending family, domestic and sexual violence to create a better future for all Australians?
The call to the Minister for Social Services.
Well, thank you, Speaker, and I'd like to thank the member for Macquarie for the question. The Albanese government has not wasted a single day in delivering our plan to build a better future for all Australians, and this, of course, includes in the social services portfolio. In our first 12 months, we've delivered on our commitments, laying a strong foundation for a better future for all Australians. We've already delivered over 16,000 older Australians who have now been granted the Commonwealth Seniors Health Card who would not have been eligible previously. We've also legislated measures to support pensioners who are downsizing their homes, and we've frozen deeming rates. We've delivered the promised doubling of funding for disability representative organisations and have begun development on the National Autism Strategy. We've improved paid parental leave, and we're expanding it so that parents can access 6 months, and we're strengthening the social safety net by providing an additional cost of living relief for those on the lowest income. And of course, a key priority for this government has been taking action to address family, domestic and sexual violence. We have delivered the 10-year national plan to end violence against women and children in one generation. We've backed that commitment up by a $2 billion record investment in women's safety initiatives. And in the most recent budget, we've committed $159 million to extend funding for women's safety frontline services. We've delivered the National Partnerships Agreement that was due to cease.
The Minister will pause. Deputy Leader of the Opposition, when I say cease interjecting, that means cease interjecting. No more interjections. Give the call to the Minister for Social Security.
Thank you. As I was saying, the National Partnerships Agreement, which was due to cease on the 30th of June this year unless we intervened. This is in addition to the funding 500 extra community and support workers for women and children experiencing family, domestic and sexual violence. We've made significant funding commitments to First Nations family safety initiatives. We've legislated 10 days of paid family and domestic violence leave, which women are now accessing to keep them safe. And we've delivered more than $352 million over 2 budgets to extend, improve and expand the escaping violence payment. Of course, this program was left in absolute shambles by the previous government, and our government has been fixing the mess. When we came to government, Speaker, there was a backlog of more than 4,000 people waiting for their payment to be processed. Wait times for payments were on average 33 business days from the date the claim was raised to being dealt with. This was unacceptable. Now, I'm pleased to advise the House that at the end of April 2023, victim survivors are having their claims dealt with on average within 6 business days. This is making a real difference to people and fixing the mess that they left us. Speaker, in 12 months, the Albanese government is delivering on our commitments to make a meaningful difference in the lives of Australians.
Concluded.